In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Zoom considering or assuming that you have completed setting up your Zoom account and already installed the Zoom application or Zoom Workplace into your desktop. So first, I want you to open your Zoom application, and inside this application, you will see these four main icons in the home interface, which are the New Meeting, Join button, Schedule, and Share Screen. And also the 6 tabs on the top position of the screen, which are the Home, Meetings, Team Chat, Scheduler, Whiteboards, and more. First is the Meetings. Meetings interface will show you every single appointment or every single meeting that you have confirmed to join in Zoom or you have completely planned. When you integrated your calendar, either it's Calendly or Google Calendar. Next is the Team Chat. These are all the chats that you have confirmed in joining or you created with your collaborative group. And next is the Scheduler. This is just a new feature, new integration application from Zoom, so we are not covering this feature. And the whiteboards are just the templates or plannings that you can create or generate in your Zoom account. And lastly is the more tabs such as your documents, clips, notes, mails, applications, and contacts. So let's head back to our home interface and click the gear icon here, which is the settings. The settings includes all the available customizations that you can perform or modifications that you can provide in your Zoom meetings, such as for video. For example, in the video, you can use the original ratio of your desktop or your webcam that you are using. You can also set the definition of your videos too. And you can also set the maximum participants that you can display into your screen, such as 25 participants or 49 participants. Next is the audio. The audio includes the modifications for your speaker and your microphone. You can test your audio here in the test mic and also your speaker here. So basically, the settings will involve all the hardware and software modifications inside the Zoom application. So feel free to explore this individually, and let's head into the four main actors or four main icons that the Zoom is proud of, which are the New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. So let's start creating a new meeting. Let's start first with the Join, since this is the most basic feature of Zoom. When you click the Join button, you just need the meeting ID or the personal link name of the meeting. So when you have this, you just need to input that here and then create a display name, and you can tick this off or tick this on if you want to connect your audio, and then turn off your video, then click the Join button here. Now that we know how to join a meeting, let's create a new meeting. So when you create a meeting, you just need to click this New Meeting. And then it will load another window for you. And then it will pop up a small window where you can join with your computer audio and you can test your speaker and microphone too. So just simply click the Join with Computer Audio. And then let's mute our mic and turn off our video. As you can see, we have completed muting our mic and also our video. Inside the Zoom interface are the chat button, React icon, the Share Screen, and the More. Inside the More tab is the Docs, Notes, Whiteboard, Apps, and Host Tools. Well, basically, you can share this Docs, Notes, and your whiteboard in this meeting. And also, you can change the view of this meeting by clicking this View icon here. When you click this, it will show the multi-speaker view, the immersive view, and also the gallery view, which I am using. And also, when you click this, you can also change the theme of your meeting. You can use Bloom, a cave, rose, and many more that you can install individually into your device. You can also modify the self-view, non-video participants, and show your meeting timers. You can also set this meeting into full screen by clicking this full screen. Now that we know how to change the view of our meeting, let's head into the React icon. Well, React icon is the same formatting or same interface that Google Meet is using. You just need to click an icon here or emoji here, and then this emoji, or actions will be available in everyone's perspective or everyone's screen. You can also raise your hand if you have any inquiries or questions inside the meeting. Next is the chat. Well, the chat interface or chat feature is very different in Zoom compared to Google Meet, because you can mention or you can privately talk to someone in the chat feature of Zoom by typing in or clicking this everyone button. Then when you click this, since I'm the only one in this meeting, but when there are a lot of people inside this meeting, you can individually select them and then talk to them. And you can just go back to everyone's option so you can talk to everyone, or your messages will be visible to everyone. Next is the participants. Well, basically from the word itself, it will show every single participant inside this meetings link. Now that we know what's inside the Zoom meeting, let's end this call and then click the end meeting for all, or you can just leave the meeting. But I'm gonna end the meeting for all since I'll be discussing this schedule icon. Well, this schedule icon, this one is another interface or feature that Zoom uses. As you can see here, you can set a schedule and you can modify if it's recurring or repeating. You can set it to daily at 6:30 or weekly on Sunday, and you can even customize it. You can also send this meeting to a person using their mail address or email address. And basically that's it. Once you are done with this scheduling part, just click the save button. Or if you want to do more, click the more options. And then here you can modify this deeply if you want to set a passcode, or if you want to turn off this host option or the participant option. And also these attendees, again, you can send it to them. And the attachment parts, you can add attachment to it like a mail, an image, or a video. Now, click the save button once you're done, but for this video, I am not creating a schedule or any feature meeting. And lastly is the share screen. And as you can see here, this share screen is just the same feature that is available in the new meeting. When you click the share screen, you will be sharing your screen into a specific link. This feature is very usable in two devices, where you have to use the first device or the original device for your meeting and the second device for sharing your screen or sharing your presentations, which is really useful or helpful for someone that is still studying or in part of researches. So basically that's it. That's how you can use or fully maximize the uses of Zoom into your workplace or into your studies and even collaborative groups. And thank you for listening.